You know I came in and flux and I'm actually awesome. I can't let them get in my way. This grand is cold like the Opry, admire the sauces. I need to go get them a praise. You know I'm strapped to 10, spinning like rims. Baby, don't get in my face. I don't like playing pretend. I like making money, not making them ends. Okay.
Good morning, good morning. How are you, great people? This morning, I have a new home orientation. I am going to be showing you the home, taking you on this journey. It is a DR Horton home. And so I just want to take you on a tour this morning. Stay tuned.
10 toes down on the blow, can't tell me nothing. Who would've guessed? We can make it the way that we want it. Who would've guessed? I could wake up to this in the morning.
Wrist I ball, my phone disco ball, like my wrist at all. Wrist I ball, my phone disco ball, like my wrist at all.
You know I came in and floss and I'm actually awesome. I can't let them get in my way. This grand is cold like the Opry, admire the sauces. I need to go get them a praise. You know I'm straight up to 10, spinning like rims. Baby, don't get in my face. I don't like playing pretend. I like making money, not making amends. Now don't make assumptions. Just because I ain't famous don't mean I ain't made it your favorite. I'm back in the function. All this flavor offending the neighbors. I wait to the label. I'm back with the gumption. Get a little bit chubby. I like it. I love it. I told her she looking all scrumptious. And you know I ain't missing no lunches and pulling no punches. I keep winning like kids. They think I'm lucky. We ain't no kind of kin, but that's my cousin. 10-piece spice in my wings, every bust. 10 toes down on the floor, can't tell me nothing. Who would've guessed? We can make it the way that we want it. Who would've guessed? I could wake up to this in the morning.
Wrist I ball, my phone disco ball, like my wrist at all. Wrist I ball, my phone disco ball, like my wrist at all.
Who would've guessed? We can make it the way that we want it. Who would've guessed? I could wake up to this in the morning.
Wrist I ball, my phone disco ball, like my wrist at all. Wrist I ball.
My daughter was trying to tell me what to do with this. She's like, you could put some wine bottles in here, Mom. If I want to. Yeah.
Who would've guessed? We can make it the way that we want it. Who would've guessed? I could wake up to this in the morning. Wrist I ball, mouth from disco ball, like my wrist and all. Wrist I ball, mouth from disco ball, like my wrist and all. Who would've guessed? We can make it the way that we want it. Who would've guessed? I could wake up to this in the morning. Wrist I ball, mouth from disco ball, like my wrist and all. Wrist I ball, mouth from disco ball, like my wrist and all. You know I came in and floss and I'm actually awesome. I can't let them get in my way. This grand is cold like the Opry, admire the sauces. I need to go get them a praise. You know I'm strapped to 10, spinning like rims. Baby, don't get in my face. I don't like playing pretend. I like making money, not making them ends. Okay, I'm trying to give me a chauffeur and sit in the belly. We segregated with designer on back till they devastated. Got no time to relax if we hesitate. Heaven knows I read the neon letters on the globe and believe it. I'm feeling conceited. Fill up the tank, got me a check, filling the blanks. Keep winning like kids, they think I'm lucky. We ain't no kind of kin, but that's my cousin. 10-piece spice in my wings, that shit bust. 10 toes down on the floor, can't tell me nothing. Who would've guessed? We can make it the way that we want it. Who would've guessed? I could wake up to this in the morning.
Wrist I ball, my phone disco ball, like my wrist at all. Wrist I ball, my phone disco ball, like my wrist at all.
You know I came in and floss and I'm actually awesome. I can't let them get in my way. This grand is cold like the Opry, admire the sauces. I need to go get them a praise. You know I'm straight up to 10, spinning like rims. Baby, don't get in my face. I don't like playing pretend. I like making money, not making amends. Now don't make assumptions. Just because I ain't famous don't mean I ain't made it your favorite. I'm back in the function. All this flavor offending the neighbors. I wait to the label. I'm back with the gumption. Get a little bit chubby. I like it. I love it. I told her she looking all scrumptious. And you know I ain't missing no lunches and pulling no punches. I keep winning like kids. They think I'm lucky. We ain't no kind of kin, but that's my cousin. 10-piece spice in my wings, every bust. 10 toes down on the floor, can't tell me nothing. Who would've guessed? We can make it the way that we want it. Who would've guessed? I could wake up to this in the morning.
Wrist I ball, my phone disco ball, like my wrist at all. Wrist I ball, my phone disco ball, like my wrist at all.
Who would've guessed? We can make it the way that we want it. Who would've guessed? I could wake up to this in the morning.
Wrist I ball, my phone disco ball, like my wrist at all. Wrist I ball, my phone disco ball, like my wrist at all.
wrist go ball like my wrist in You know I came in and floss and I'm actually awesome. I kill it, I'm getting my.
Hi, I'm Danielle Quinn. This is my fiance, Sean Carr. We're relocating from Charlotte, North Carolina to here, Locust, North Carolina. We're purchasing a home through DR Horton. Okay, we chose the Columbia home through DR Horton, and the reason why we chose it was because of the square footage and for what you're getting for the price. You couldn't beat it.
Very nice house. We had very good experience of purchasing a house, first time buyer's house.
1 week from today, we will be closing, which will be as of June 29. We are super excited.
You know I came in and floss and I'm actually awesome. I can't let them get in my way. This grand is old like the Opry and Meyer. The sauces, I need to go get them a praise. You know I'm straight at the 10, spinning like